60. Conduction, convection, and radiation. Heat is a form of energy. It can move from place to place. There are three ways it can move: conduction, convection, and radiation. When heat touches matter, it makes the particles in that matter move. These particles then touch other nearby ones. They start moving too. This is conduction, and it is the reason why the pot handle gets hot. Conduction usually occurs in solids and between objects that are touching. Convection is the second way that heat moves. Convection happens because of temperature differences in different parts of the liquids or gases. In convection, warm liquid or gas is forced up by cooler liquid or gas. Then the cooler liquid or gas is heated and is forced up. This happens over and over in a circular flow. Ovens work by convection. Coils in the oven heat the air. The air rises where it cooks the food. The air then cools, so it goes down. Then the coil heats it again, so it rises once more. Radiation is the third way that heat moves. This occurs when heat moves as waves, so it does not require matter at all. The sun heats the earth by radiation. The sun sends out heat in the form of waves. The waves reach the earth where they provide heat.
60. Conduction, convection, and radiation. Heat is a form of energy. It can move from place to place. There are three ways it can move: conduction, convection, and radiation. When heat touches matter, it makes the particles in that matter move. These particles then touch other nearby ones. They start moving too. This is conduction, and it is the reason why the pot handle gets hot. Conduction usually occurs in solids and between objects that are touching. Convection is the second way that heat moves. Convection happens because of temperature differences in different parts of the liquids or gases. In convection, warm liquid or gas is forced up by cooler liquid or gas. Then the cooler liquid or gas is heated and is forced up. This happens over and over in a circular flow. Ovens work by convection. Coils in the oven heat the air. The air rises where it cooks the food. The air then cools, so it goes down. Then the coil heats it again, so it rises once more. Radiation is the third way that heat moves. This occurs when heat moves as waves, so it does not require matter at all. The sun heats the earth by radiation. The sun sends out heat in the form of waves. The waves reach the earth where they provide heat. 60. Conduction, convection, and radiation. Heat is a form of energy. It can move from place to place. There are three ways it can move: conduction, convection, and radiation. When heat touches matter, it makes the particles in that matter move. These particles then touch other nearby ones. They start moving too. This is conduction, and it is the reason why the pot handle gets hot. Conduction usually occurs in solids and between objects that are touching. Convection is the second way that heat moves. Convection happens because of temperature differences in different parts of the liquids or gases. In convection, warm liquid or gas is forced up by cooler liquid or gas. Then the cooler liquid or gas is heated and is forced up. This happens over and over in a circular flow. Ovens work by convection. Coils in the oven heat the air. The air rises where it cooks the food. The air then cools, so it goes down. Then the coil heats it again, so it rises once more. Radiation is the third way that heat moves. This occurs when heat moves as waves, so it does not require matter at all. The sun heats the earth by radiation. The sun sends out heat in the form of waves. The waves reach the earth where they provide heat.